Sir May Vlogs is here. Please do like, share, comment, and of course, subscribe. Member of the Oriental Lily. as well as colors and structures just like this. It grows upwards in a bushy manner on thick stems and shows its ravishing beauty with long, delicately purpled colored shoots and short stems. Colored leaf decorative pepper, on the other hand, prefers brighter spots with a fewer hours of the morning or evening sun per day. Alocasia cucullata is also known as the Buddha palm plant. This name is because this tropical plant has slender stems that hold large heart-shaped leaves that appear as if they are waving in response to every slightest breeze. Alocasias are native to the tropical rainforests of southern Asia. The stems of Alocasia cucullata are upright, fleshy, and resemble rhizomes in appearance. The periwinkle plant vinca flower, Cataranthus roseus or Lochnera rosea, also known as rosy periwinkles, is a lovely small plant that grows outside very well, but also finds itself at home in a summer window. Vinca minor is a small upright grower and has a maximum height of about 8 to 12 inches tall. The leaves are very shiny and long with a clear, almost white center veined. The periwinkle flower comes in shades of pink, red, or white, and the flowers can be in several different shades and can either be plain or variegated. Aglonema or Chinese evergreen is also considered as the lucky plant as per feng shui and considered a bringer of fortune. Its longevity, ease of growth, and striking appearance are thought beneficial to the well-being and financial success of the residents who grow this plant aglonema at home. Thank you so much for your love and support. Until next time, once again, this is Sir Muyo Vlogs. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you in my next vlog. God bless us all.